Welcome to Wizard.com. This is Ashwini, Maths tutor. Our question is factorize the given, and we have given 7x minus 8y to the power 3, that is cube, plus 7x plus 8y, it's cube. As we know that a cube plus b cube is given by a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So we can write this as 7x minus 8y, a plus b means plus 7x plus 8y into another bracket, a square means 7x minus 8y, its square, minus a into b means we need to multiply this two bracket, that is 7x minus 8y into 7x plus 8y plus b square means 7x plus 8y, its square. Now this 7x minus 8y plus 7x plus 8y gives 14x. Solve this bracket then. So here it is 7x square. We know that a minus b square means a square, minus 2ab means 2 times 7x into 8y plus b square, that is 8y square, minus this 7x into 7x means 7x square minus 7x into 8y plus 7x into 8y minus 8y into 8y means 8y square. This minus minus gets plus, so 8y square plus a plus b bracket square gives a square plus 2ab, that is 2 times 7x into 8y plus b square means 8y, its square. So it is 14x into this 7x square, 7x square. First 7x square, this 7x square get cancelled and only one 7x square left, so it is 49x square. Then 2 times 7xy minus 2 times 7xy will get cancelled. Again this minus 7x into 8y plus 7x into 8y will get cancelled, and so there left only 8y square plus 8y square plus 8y square, that is 64y square 3 times, which gives 192y square. Hence factorization of 7x minus 8y cube plus 7x plus 8y cube is 14x into 49x square plus 192y square. So from available options we have option C as 14x into 49x square plus 192y square.